Good noon to one and all. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about some of the programs for CNC operations, for CNC lathe operations. So the part program for the CNC lathe operations, which have only two axes, are involved, say x-axis and z-axis. So the z-axis is the axis of spindle, and x-axis is the direction of transverse motion of the tool post. So to write the CNC part programming for the CNC part program for the lathe operations, the following procedure is adopted. So firstly, move the cutting tool to a point near the job in a rapid mode. Rapid mode means G00. And next, set linear interpolation, that means G01, and move to the required depth of cut in X direction. So then move along the Z axis to the required length of the job as per the diagram. And then set rapid mode, that means G00, and retract the tool along X axis. So lastly, at last, move to start point in G00 mode. Okay, so these are the CNC part program instruction procedure is adopted for the lathe operations. So now some part program examples we'll discuss in this lecture. So observe carefully. Okay, so see this figure. So write the part program to make the component as shown in the figure, and the bar stock available is 40 mm diameter rod. Okay, so here the bar stock available is 40 mm diameter rod. So this is to be machined on the CNC lathe machine to be required size. Okay, for the required size. So the operations to be performed on the bar stock are, firstly we have to observe the different kinds of operations. What are the operations we have done in the CNC machine? So in this, the operations to be performed on bar stock are, first one is facing operation. Okay, and next, to reduce the diameter of the bar from 40 mm diameter to the 36 mm. Okay, see this figure. So 40 mm to 36 mm diameter. Now the part program for this component as per the diagram will be written as, in the first step, N001, that means first sequence number. So N is a sequence number, N01, and next G71. So G71 means it's a dimensioning in metric units. And next G90 means it's a absolute dimensioning. And G94, it's a feed rate. So feed rate in terms of mm per minute. Then end of the block, EOB. So this is the first step. So first step is sequence number, and next G71 and G90 and G94 EOB. Okay, so G71 dimensioning in metric units, and G90 absolute dimensioning, and G94 feed rate mm per minute. So this is the first step for every figure. So next step is next step is second step, that means N002. So and then tool 1 we have to select, and then feed rate we have to apply with some speed also. So next step is N002 T01, that means tool number 1, and feed with 200, say it's 200, that means 200 meter per minute. And then M03, so M03 means it's a spindle start in clockwise direction. So we have to start the spindle for the rotation. We have to start the spindle for the rotation in the clockwise direction. So M03. Next S, speed 800. Okay, next end of the block. So for each step we have to write end of the block. Okay, so next third step, N003 means G00. G00 means it's a rapid mode, rapid traverse mode, and we have to give the coordinates x22, z1. Okay, so and next N004 G00 x0 coordinates, and z remains constant in this. So end of the block. And next N005 G01 z0, z0 in which mode? Linear interpolation. Z0 in linear interpolation, that means G01 mode, it's a linear interpolation. And next sixth step is x40, so 40 diameter, so this is for the facing operation. And next z minus 80, so in G01, and that means linear interpolation mode. So this is the dummy cut which is parallel to the axis of job. Okay, so and next G00, again G00 rapid traverse mode. So x42 with draw the tool to the x equal to 42, so that when the tool is taken back to Z0, it does not leave a scratch mark on the job. Okay, and next we have to move in rapid to Z equal to 0, that means G00 Z0, so rapid mode to Z0. And next G01, so linear interpolation with x36, it is the required position, so move to x equal to 36 in G01 mode. So then it gives a depth of cut of 2 okay, so we are giving the depth of cut of 2 so 2 depth of cut means 2, so it's 4 reduction is there. So 40 minus 4 is 36 so the depth of cut is 2 And the next step is G01, so Z minus 80, so move to Z minus 80 to do turning operation. So we have to give the turning to the material. And the next G00 x42, withdraw the tool to x equal to 42 in rapid movement. Okay, so and next Z20, so go to Z equal to 20. And last one is M02, so M02 means M02 means it's a program stop, so end of the program. So this is the required steps for this material, for this diagram. Okay, so here the z coordinate in the block number is not mentioned, because the coordinate value z equal to 1 mentioned in the block is same. So the following blocks it's not repeated, the same procedure is followed for NC watts also. So this is the clear cut example about this operation. Okay, and another example, so see this figure. So in case of tap turning, the simultaneous motion is required along with both x-axis and z-axis. The part program for tap turning operation is similar to the simple turning operation, except that in this case both the coordinates, that means x and z values of the final point, are to be given in the program. So let us now write a CNC program for the component shown in this figure. Okay, so see this figure. So here the raw material available is 20 mm diameter bar. So the operations involved are facing and turn to 15 mm diameter over 15 mm length, and next taper turning operation. Okay, so the part program for the component as per the diagram is given below. So in this first step, G71, G90, G94, it's a common step. Okay, understand? So common step. Next second step is tool 1, spindle speed M03. M03 means it's a spindle start. So it is also an owner, and x-axis z-axis coordinates x22 g00, x22 z 0.45, and next g01 x f200 feed rate, and z x-axis coordinates. Okay, so next everything is same as per the previous one. So one by one, so G71, G90, G94, end of the block, and the second step is T01, S1000, M03, end of the block, and the third step, so G00 rapid mode, x coordinate 22, z 0.5, end of the block, and G01 linear interpolation, x0 f200, end of the block, and next z0, end of the block, and next x20, end of the block, x15, end of the block, z minus 15, end of the block, x20, z minus 20, end of the block, z minus 3500, minus 35, sorry, it's a 35, and next G00 rapid mode, x25, z20, end of the block. So M02, it's a program stop. So this is the simple steps for this part program, okay, in CNC program. I hope everyone understand these two examples. And coming to the another example. So here see this example 3. So in CNC machines, the depth of cut is limited like conventional machines. So the material is removed in number of cuts. So each time the tool is fed against the workpiece 2 to 3 mm for a rough cut, and 0.75 mm to 1 mm for finished cut, and turning is done up to the desired length. The tool is taken back to the starting position and the cycle is repeated. So consider the job as shown in the figure, where the diameter is to be reduced to 30 mm from 40 mm. The maximum depth of cut being limited to 3 mm. So see this diagram. The part program for this component is given below. So N01, so first step N01, G90, G71, G94, feed, speed, tool 1, end of the block. Rapid mode 41, Z1, M03. M03 means it's a spindle start. And next G01, linear interpolation, X37. So 37 means it's some of the extra portion. So 37, end of the block. And next X minus 30, end of the block. X41, Z1, end of the block. X34, end of the block. Z minus 30, end of the block, and G00, X41, Z1, end of the block, and G01, X31, end of the block, and G01 Z minus 30 end of the block. So and now 11th step is it's a rapid mode X41 and Z1 end of the block. So again the tool will move to the X30 and then Z minus 30 and X41 at last Z25. So the program is completed M02. So 16 steps are there, N16 M02 end of the block. So this is the clear cut explanation about this part programming. So these three examples are for the part program examples. Okay, I hope everyone understand this lecture. In the next class we'll discuss another three examples. Remaining three examples are there. So I hope stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Read well. Bye.